Cass, welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining me. I've got a lovely little haul here today. This is just one item from, I can't remember where, to be honest. Might be Amazon or even. These little cute sticky booklets, they're like decorative stuff for journaling. Have a little look through. Oh, they're cute. Garden Star. Excuse the no nails, I'm about to do that soon. Cute. Crafter's Companion haul. I'll go through what we got from there. It's only a little one, but it was something I really wanted was on there, so I got it quickly. I'll show you that first. The wax seal kit. How cool is that going to be? It's a vintage diary, which I've got a lot of the embossing folders, stamp set and rub-ons and stuff. So this is a wax seal kit, and a crown and what's that, butterfly one. That'll be fun. That can be used on envelopes and my journaling. Then I have 5x5 paper craft eye modern swirl frame from Gemini. I do love my Crafter's Companion. I like my heroes. Sarah especially, like, you know, my hero totally. That's beautifully elegant, isn't it? Sorry, not the camera. That one's so pretty. Decorative rose frame. 6x4. That's really nice. I'll show you how these die cut as well in some shorts coming up. Oh, look at that. My mum's going to love that. Art Deco. Deco swirl frame. I need to get some like nice sentiment stamps to go in the middle here. A filigree frame, 6x4. Careful, girls. A 5x5 abstract frame. I like that. So pretty. Basically, that's all you needed, that and some design paper, and you've got a card, really, ain't you? So we'll do that. We'll try and do some shorts of showing a whole card being made with these. 6x4 delicate lace frame. Very pretty. In Christmas style, which I'm getting a bit late for this Christmas, but I'll probably make these for next Christmas. Excuse the cat meowing. 5x7 delicate decorations, baubles. It's got an embossing folder and stencils for colouring. Sorry, push. Excuse me sniffling, I'm still not great. 5x7 3D embossing folder and stencils over the rooftops. That's so cute. These are going to be cute. I will try and fit them in before Christmas. If I remember rightly, I'll do them first, because obviously we're running out of time. Last but not least, 3D embossing folder and stencils, festive candle. Now I've got a candle embossing folder as well already, so I can do 2 different styles and stuff. That looks lovely. That'll be fun. Yes. We'll give them a go in the next couple of days. It's a card made, isn't it, really? Okay, we'll do that. They're amazing. Such a good set, and I got it really cheap, really cheap. I didn't even spend 20 quid, I don't think. I think it was 20 quid I spent. And this is what I really want. I was a bit gutted because I got this at something like £6, and then it went down to £3 the next day, so I was a bit sad about that. But I got it. So, and I'm going to get some other bits from Shein soon, coming soon, which includes some of these, the heads, like these bits. So different patterns to do, and I'll have fun with that. Thank you ever so much for joining me for my little mini haul. I've got so much that I want to get done showing you, and we will get on with that over the next couple of days. I'll do some videos as best I can. Alright, thanks for joining me, guys. Much love. Breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.